Toyota announces a price hike on the Innova Crysta MPV in India. The company will be increasing the prices by 2% on the current ex-showroom prices and will be effectively starting next month. According to the company, the input cost for manufacturing have increased, which has forced the brand to increase the prices of the MPV. This increase is necessitated to offset the substantial increase in input cost. The last time company increased the prices, they stated that they will be absorbing the majority of the cost increases through their internal efforts, and only a minimal portion will be reflected onto the prices. This seems to be the case for the latest price hike, as it will go up by just 2%. The new Toyota Innova Crysta facelift is offered in a range of 3 variants: GX, VX and ZX. Currently retails between Rs 16.11 lakhs and Rs 24.59 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The 2021 Innova Crysta now receives an all-new front fascia with a slightly larger front grille as compared to the outgoing model. This includes a larger grille, a new front bumper with an aggressive design, and a new alloy wheel design, among others. The new Innova Crysta facelift now features an updated infotainment system that features the new Smart Playcast technology along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The top spec ZX Team now features a new tan-colored upholstery, giving the cabin a more premium look and feel. The 2021 Innova Crysta facelift remains unchanged mechanically. The MPV is currently offered with two engine options: 2.7-liter petrol and 2.4-liter diesel engines. The petrol engine produces a maximum of 164 bhp and a peak torque of 245 Nm, while the 2.4-liter diesel unit churns out 148 bhp and 360 Nm of peak torque. Both engines are offered with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic.